is 贵妃茶. 贵妃茶, what's it mean? Okay, I tell you, you will remember very easy. Do you remember Orient Beauty? Orient Beauty is beauty, and 贵妃茶 is mean princess. So all of them are silver, very elegant tea. So this is 贵妃茶, princess. You can see is how silver they are. Okay, 贵妃茶. We will get 贵妃茶later, princess. So you have Orient Beauty before with me, and now we will have a princess. Okay, I hope prince. I like prince. Of course, princess is also very good. Then princess 贵妃茶. Here we have a 贵妃茶. Of course, this new one for you. You can pay attention to the tea leaves of 贵妃茶 later. Don't forget, temperature is very important. Here, the shape of tea leaves is very important. Mira. This is 贵妃茶. Actually, so many people know 贵妃茶, the process of 贵妃茶, almost the same as Orient Beauty, but there are one point very important. Very important is the tea leaf. They are different. Oh, smell aroma. We can see the tea leaves of 贵妃茶 is different with Orient Beauty, and the process, the other parts of the process almost the same. They belong to strong fermentation. It's very important. Strong fermentation is special for 贵妃茶 and 东方美人. But the tea leaves is different. Look, they have a very strong aroma. Yes, very good aroma. And usually we use Chinese tea set or Oriental tea set to brew tea, but you can try. If you use the Western tea set, it's also very relaxed, very good. Enjoy. Special for princess. The princess tea, if you use Western tea set, have a very special feeling. Why don't you try? Why not? Yes, it's a good idea. Oh,